This explains the process of downloading the requested files from Traces through TDSMAN interface. Click on Traces information. Click on Download requested files. Enter the login details of the user. For example, TAN, Traces user ID and password. Enter the captcha code. Click on Login. Click on Yes. Information fetched from Traces is displayed here. Against the request number. If the file is made available by Traces, it will display Available under Status column, and the button is provided for Download. If the status is displayed as Submitted, it implies that Traces is still processing your request. If the file is available, click on Download. Select the folder where the file needs to be downloaded. Traces provides the file in zip format. After successful download, one may extract the file now by clicking on Yes. If more download is pending, continue in the same way, else click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.